Hello everyone, I'm back once again. To all my subscribers, my friends, and my silent viewers. Watch this video, I will teach you to multiply from 6 to 9 the easiest way using your fingers. After you watch this video, I am sure you will know how to multiply from 6 to 9. Very simple. I have pictures and videos to show to you. Watch this. Take note. You assign your little fingers as number 6, your ring finger as number 7, your middle finger as number 8, your index finger will be your number 9, and your thumb is 10, but 10 is easy, so let's just take note. Again, little fingers is number 6, ring finger is number 7, middle finger is number 8, index finger is number 9, and your thumb is number 10. Watch the video after this, and I have posted some pictures and also a sample video how you come up with the total numbers when you do the multiplication using your fingers. Let's try this. This is 6 and 7. 7 times 7, overlap both of the 7 and the left and right hand fingers. And the remaining, multiply it. And the overlap fingers, consider as 10 each. So you have 40 already. And the remaining, multiply these 3 fingers on both sides of your hand. That will be 3 times 3 plus your 4 tenths. That will become 49. Let's try 9 by 9. Since we know already 6, 7, 8, 9. We'll try 9 multiplied by 9. Overlap the 2 hands. I have 8 fingers overlap together, and that will become 80 all together. And the remaining, multiply it. 1 times 1 is 1, of course, and you sum it up. The total of it is 81. So that means 9 by 9 is 81. Get it? Love you all. You think you can do it yourself? It's easy, huh? Hope you guys spread that information. That's very helpful. Sometimes in our daily life, you're gonna use the multiplication no matter what. That's simple multiplication using your fingers. It's very easy, and normally with these days, let's say you forget your cell phone and you have to multiply 8 by 5 or 8 by 6, and you cannot memorize your multiplication from 6 through 10. What you gonna do? You're gonna count your fingers, including your teeth and your toes. Anyway, that's only spices on my video, but that will help on our daily life. If you encounter the multiplication starting from 6 all the way to 10. But anyway, that's all for now. Spread love, peace on earth, and be safe to everyone. Have a good one and have a good weekend as well. Goodbye. Before ending this video, I'd like to shout out to Elena Robio for her help, and same thing with Amanda Chin. Thank you very much for watching, and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much again. Goodbye.